Well, it is 3:57 in the morning and we're just dropping our client's car back to him, all done. We're not going to disturb the neighbours and crank up the volume, but remote central locking now, all done on the driver's door, and it's going to be really hard to see, and on the rear door as well, so you have to take my word for it. All nice and secure now, and we've also got a very special camera. I know it's really hard to hear me and hard to see what's going on, but just to show you, we work all hours for the premier service at AudioDirect. And once again, if we open up the vehicle, and it's going to get really dark inside. Like really dark, but don't worry, we can get you some nice bright light in a second as we start up this vehicle. And you'll be able to see that Jeep screen and logo light up, and when we switch on our lights you get the illumination on the screen too. A really nice system actually. We weren't going to put the sound up to disturb any of the neighbours, and you'll see the screen will just boot in. Try and get it in focus for you and show you some of the features. It is so lightning quick and smooth. Radio loads up instantly. Music as well, you've got a couple of sample tracks in there. Video, as you can see, it's absolutely crystal clear. And then shrink it back down. Bluetooth, if you want to connect your phone, of course, music streaming, A2DP, and a lot of apps, File Explorer, Opera, Chrome, Facebook, so on and so forth, and of course all important navigation as well. So you'll see there's the latest 𝗔𝗥𝗘𝗥 navigation that loads up, and it's real quick. And also fantastically now, he's got that, put the car in reverse, a very special camera, and you can see it's a really unique lens made for this particular vehicle. So I'll be signing out. I know you're not even going to be able to see me in this dark, but premier service by AudioDirect. We're working 24 hours for you guys, so hit us up people. Have a good night.